Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove yourself from a Splitwise expense. If you've been added to an expense by mistake, or you simply need to remove that expense from your shared group records, this walkthrough will show you the process clearly inside the Splitwise app. We'll move step by step, so it's easy to follow along on your own screen. To begin, open the Splitwise app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can see the main navigation options clearly. Starting from the home screen helps make sure you're in the right place before making any changes to your shared expenses. Next, look toward the bottom left area of the screen and tap on Groups. This section contains all of the shared groups you're part of, such as trips, roommates, events, or other expense sharing setups. Opening the Groups tab is important because the expense you want to remove is tied to a specific group. After that, tap on the sample group. In your own app, this will be whichever group contains the expense you want to edit or remove. Make sure you choose the correct group, since deleting an expense will affect the balances and records for everyone involved in that group. Once you're inside the group, find and tap on the sample expense. This opens the full details for that individual expense, where you can review what was added. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that this is the exact expense you want to remove before continuing, especially if your group has several similar entries. Now at the top of the screen, tap Delete. This option is used to remove the expense from the group's records. Depending on your app version, the Delete option may appear as a button or icon near the top of the expense details page, so take a quick look across the top bar if you don't see it right away. Finally, tap the confirmation for deletion. This confirms that you want to permanently remove the expense. After you do this, the expense will no longer appear in the group, and any balances connected to it should update automatically. That's all it takes to remove yourself from a Splitwise expense by deleting the expense entry. As a final tip, always double-check the group and expense details before confirming deletion, since this action may affect shared records for others in the group as well.